Hello, I just want to share one formula with you which I have learned recently. I was learning it without any example or practical usage, but now I can use it on my own input file which I have got for one of my activity. So as what we are going to learn is simply we are taking some data out from these texts. So it is document number with program name. So as you can see at the last we have numbers starting from 3. So our task is to take these numbers out. We cannot simply use write formula and take the numbers out, because for every cell there is a limit, there is a different length of names that would not allow us to take the proper document number. So in that case what we can do, there can be many ways, but what I have found is the easiest one. So we have to choose a common symbol or a letter, and beyond which we can see that our number is there. Like in this case dash is there, after phi you can see dash is there. So this dash will be used as a base to take these document numbers out of these names. So first of all what we are going to do is we are going to use this formula which is find. What we are finding is the same dash I talked about. So what it would be doing, that it would find the count, I mean the place where this dash is standing. So at 34th position it is standing out of 44 counts. I mean the length of the text is 44. So when you find out the length of this cell, you will find using len bracket this cell, and so it would give the length, and the position of dash is at 34th position. So if you reduce, I mean if you deduct for 34 out of 44, so what you will get, the remaining thing, and that would come as your number. So as this number is represented at the right side, the third formula which we would be using is the right one. So write, and using the cell in which we have to work, now I2 minus H2, that means total length minus the position of dash in it. So it will give us those last numbers. So hence we conclude that using this formula, these three formulas, find, length and right or left, in as the case may be, we can take out some specific numbers or texts out of some details or some data. So now the check is whether the number which I have extracted from these document number, program names, is matching with the data which I have already got, E. So I have deducted, so the balance is coming, which is 0. So hence it is proved that whatever I have extracted is correct, and it is a control check from my side. Thank you. I hope it is